Welcome to Chapter 3. In Chapter 3, we will focus on talking about teaching children numbers and mathematic operations. Within the chapter, the following topics will be discussed: an overview of concept development, building concepts of numbers and operations at the preschool, pre-K level. We will look at content standards for pre-K, kindergarten, first grade, second grade, and third grade. Within the text, the author describes 12 strategies that a teacher can implement to develop a child's numerical understanding. Each can be adapted to a variety of age groups. Choose one age group from the preschool through fourth grade and find activities that support 3 of the strategies. For each of the strategies, share 3 activities within the designated announcement tab provided by your instructor. Review the outcomes for each of the age groups from pre-K through third grade. Write a 2 or more paragraph summary of the challenges a teacher might face when trying to achieve these outcomes with children. Provide 3 things that would need to be in place in a classroom to ensure that the outcomes were achieved. Send the summary to your instructor via the LMS inbox. Title your subject line as following: Chapter 3, Exploring Outcomes Summary. Read pages 99 to 100 in the text. Then take 5 minutes to decide on which adaptations could be used for some of the sample activities in the chapter. Can you think of any others that might be missing for both children with special needs and English language learners? Share your thoughts with your instructor in an LMS email entitled My Personal Thoughts on Making Adaptations. Choose one of the concepts on page 100. Brainstorm activities to address the concepts that will help bridge the homeschool connection for math. Share your thoughts with your instructor via the LMS inbox. Title your subject line as following: Homeschool Connection Challenge.